Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick update about Tesla and NVDA. These two stocks have risen so much in the previous few weeks. So let's see what's going on now. In my last free video about Tesla, I have mentioned Tesla have reached one critical resistance points with the time, with the price, for weekly chart, daily chart, and monthly chart. So now you can see the Tesla is going down by 5%, and now its pre-market is also down by 3%. So let's see what's going on. So I have also uploaded a video about Bollinger Band. So you can see the orange line is still going upward, and we are still in the upper band. So the Tesla stock is still in a strong trend, but we just hit the resistance point here, and the RSI here, and this one is still above 70, so still in a strong trend. Let's see if they go below 70 or they go hit 70 and then they go up again. And this is another indicator, one of my favorite basically. So you can see we are still in the strong red zone here, and previously we have a gap, and this gap would be our strong support indicator, I would say, the support reference. So the zone is about 242 to 235. So 242 to 235, basically. Okay, so as long as we stay above this red line, we're still in a strong trend. But what I think is they will go, according to the chart, what they say as, you can check my previous free video. So most likely they will hit the red line, either above the red line or just below the red line. So we are still around this level, right? The price I just mentioned you. And then as long as they stay above this area, we are safe, and they are still in a strong trend. Remember, the price pull back or the price go down sometimes is a good thing for us. It's a good opportunity for us to buy, right? Does it make sense to you? So if they go all the way up, if we buy, let's say we buy here on the halfway when they go up, it's very risky because we don't have any cut loss price. So you don't know how to make the cut loss price. So in my strategy, you always know what if the plan doesn't go the same direction with what we predict, right? What if they go opposite direction? So what if they go down? What is the cut loss price? This is very important. Remember that. So this is Tesla. So the support level is around 242 to 235. Okay. So basically around this red line, the upper band here is around 238, basically around 238. So we are still in the purple zone. So maybe they go like this and then they go ahead up. I will show one more video about what is my predict price, the next exact predict price for Tesla. So it's very exciting. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And more important is to subscribe to my free email list. I will send you the link later. Okay. So that there's a free, basically there's a secret formula to calculate the Tesla next high, how to calculate it. And it's very easy formula. Okay, so back to the point, NVDA. NVDA has been up for really strong one as well. So let's see here. So it's very similar. They go up these two candles as well. You can see we are still in the upper band, and still the orange is still going up. And you can see this blue line here. Basically, they go a bit narrower than before, but it's not too narrow. So it's still in the upward trend. The trend still not yet reversed too much. And the RSI here is still above 70. It's not yet go down below 70. So still in a very strong trend. We just have a little bit pullback this moment. And for this one, so in my course, I will teach you how to use this few indicator basically. you can see here, we are still above this red zone. So the red zone is one of our support. And here you can see we have one big gap up here. Can you see that here? So this one would be one of the important zone. Would they go, so the red would be, so the first one, the support would be around, let me see. The red one, the first one is around 400. The second one is around 388. And this purple line is the gap. You can check it with your chart. So this one would be this candle, the low is 366.35. And this one would be the candle, this high, about 306. Okay, so 366.35 to 306. This is the purple zone. So let's see how it goes with NVDA. So far, we are still in the strong trend. Remember, when we are in the strong trend, when we have a pullback, it's good for us to take the opportunity to buy the stock. And it's pretty good. As long as, so you can use this indicator to see this is a strong trend or this is a reverse trend later, okay? So it's a very powerful indicator. If you want to learn more, click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and more important, subscribe to the free email list. Later, I will have some free webinar about these free classes. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.